No, not that. Catastrophe! Mayday, mayday! Armageddon! Mama told me not to come. Ow! Stop! It's a never-ending story! Excuse me. Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. I might vomit. Is that organic? I don't get it. It's nothing sacred. That's not right. Oh! Oi! I can't take it! Oh! Choose something else. So cool! Oh my god! Read the directions! Nothing is safe! There's nothing sacred! I don't get it! I could live with that choice. Don't look at me! I'll never live this down. Don't put this on YouTube! This couldn't get worse. No. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Time out!